Hi, my name is Ria. Welcome to my channel BiCreditex. Today our topic is about graphic designing. Here we learn what is graphic designing, types of project to include in a graphic design, 7 types of logo design, 10 things that you need for graphic design, free and paid graphic design tools, sites from which you can earn money, 4 inspiring projects. So let's start our journey. Please like, share and subscribe our channel BiCreditex. What is graphic design? Graphic design is a craft where professionals create visual content to communicate messages. By applying visual hierarchy and page layout techniques, designers use typography and pictures to meet users' specific needs and focus on the logic of displaying elements in interactive designs to optimize the user experience. Popular types of projects to include in a graphic design portfolio. Like any art, graphic design encompasses projects of all shapes and sizes. For this medium, that means anything from business cards to book covers to the visual aspects of web design. The more variety your portfolio includes, the easier it is for potential clients to get a feel for your aesthetic, skill level, and process. Some graphic design projects most commonly featured in portfolios. Brand identity. Creating a brand identity involves using design elements to craft a unique visual identity that tells a brand's story and sets it apart from competitors. These elements include color. Designers use color psychology and color theory to develop color palettes that speak to a brand's personality. Typography. The art of creating and arranging text, including choosing font pairs and styles that are visually appealing and match the brand's identity. Iconography. Designers use iconography, the art of creating icons, to communicate meaning through images, like a button representing a shopping cart to guide users to their pending purchases. Graphic designers are the minds behind logo creation, lettering, font selection, and every other visual aspect of a company's brand kit. By including brand identity projects in your portfolio, you demonstrate your ability to create a cohesive and memorable brand image across all elements. User experience and product design. User experience (UX) design relies on technology, psychology, and user research to design interfaces that are intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable to use. These interfaces guide someone's interactions with software, apps, websites, and even physical products like alarm clocks, refrigerators, and coffee makers. UX design teams often include visual or graphic designers who ensure the product's visual elements enhance the overall UX and fit the company's brand identity. UX is one piece of the larger product design process, which involves ideating and developing digital or physical products that solve a problem for the target audience. While graphic and product designers have two distinct roles, the former play an integral role in the design process. For a digital product, this might mean laying out the visual aspects of an app's interface with the company's brand identity in mind. For a physical product, a graphic designer might create mock-ups that show stakeholders what the finished product will look like. Including both UX and product projects in a graphic design portfolio can demonstrate your skills in creating user-friendly, aesthetically pleasing products. The 7 types of logo design. 1. Monogram logos. Consists of making brand initials. 2. Wordmark logos. Focuses more on the business name and makes use of font to express the logo. 3. Abstract marks. Are used to convey what the company is all about. 4. Brand marks. Use of symbols or icons to represent the business name. 5. Mascot logos. Involves illustrated characters which represents the company. 6. Emblem logo. Use of symbols or shapes to house the text of the logo. 7. Combined logo. Logos created from the combination of some of the mentioned types of logos. The most important 10 things in graphic design. 1. Communication. 2. Color theory. 3. Creativity. 4. Problem solving. 5. Emphasis. 6. Brand management. 7. Hierarchy. 8. Contrast. 9. First impressions matter. 10. Attention to detail. Free graphic design tools. 1. Krita. 2. Blender. 3. Adobe Spark. 4. Design Wizard. 5. Genially. 6. Photopea. 7. Corel Vector. 8. PhotoDirector. 9. Visme. Paid tools for graphic designers. 1. Adobe Photoshop. 2. Adobe Illustrator. 3. Canva. 4. Sketch. 5. Affinity Designer. 6. Adobe InDesign. 7. CorelDRAW. 8. GIMP. 9. Inkscape. 10. Figma. 11. Gravit Designer. 12. Vista Create. 13. Pixlr. 14. Adobe Express. 15. Fotor. 16. Pixpa. 17. Procreate. 18. Stencil. 19. Vectornator. 20. Vectr. 21. Affinity Photo. 22. Affinity Design. 23. Corel Paint Shop Pro. 24. Lunacy. Sites from which you can earn money through graphic designing. 1. MPL. 2. YouTube. 3. Amazon. 4. Upwork. 5. Google AdSense. 6. Shutterstock. 7. Facebook Marketplace. 8. Fiverr. 9. Meesho. 10. Earn Karo. 11. Guru. 12. Freelancer. 13. Udemy. 14. Vicens. 15. People per hour. 16. Fotolia, now Adobe Stock. 17. Clarity.fm. 18. Neobooks. 19. Etsy India. 20. Chegg India. For degree in graphic designing, you can join Mark Girish Park. Here you can learn course modules, graphic design, VFX, etc. Visit and just watch, link in the description box. Others are Skillshare, Coursera, Udemy. 4 inspiring project examples. Now I'll put the concept of showing versus telling to the test with a roundup of real project design ideas worthy of any portfolio. 1. Poster design. Designer Alberto Brilli used Adobe Illustrator to create a graphic design concept for an exhibition showcasing Romanian artist Constantin Brancui. The design capitalizes on Brancui's art legacy, with each poster featuring a letter from the artist's name alongside one of his gold sculptures. Rather than adding the concept to his portfolio as a still, two-dimensional image, Alberto used web design to help visitors visualize what the concept would look like in the real-world setting he designed it for. 2. Brochure design. Designer Christian Jackson applies the same level of thoughtfulness to every element, from color to typeface to layout in this brochure. Christian's attention to detail informed her The Earth is Sick composting guide, which challenged her to present important information without using pictures to draw attention to the brochure's content. Christian used her knowledge of typography and color to turn large blocks of text into art, choosing shades of brown and green for the color palette and draping strings of words to mimic the structure of roots. 3. Product packaging design. As a student, product designer Cheryl Hibbert created a fictional coffee brand called Jula, using design tools and principles to create a coffee tin and its accompanying mortar and pestle. Cheryl then switched into graphic designer mode, incorporating traditional East African colors and patterns into the label in a nod to the Eritrean coffee ceremony that inspired the product. This step elevated the project from a well-designed tin to a polished, comprehensive concept enticing discerning coffee drinkers to try Jula. 4. Illustration. Illustrator and designer Rachel Riordan of Lucky Bones Studio has been drawing since early childhood, a commitment to craft that shines through in the logo and illustrations she created for Tilted Glass Brewing Co. Each piece relies on color and vivid imagery to tell a story, like the label for the brand's Dark Prince IPA, which conveys themes of death and rebirth through the whimsical illustration of a crowned skull, fungus. These all about graphic designing. So if you like our channel, please like, share and subscribe BiCreditex. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.